All right, guys, I'm here with Miss Colette. Woo, we just finished her floor. Look at this thing.
It looks amazing.
Beautiful. Hey, Miss Colette, tell us how you found us.
I found you on YouTube.
On YouTube, and you watched the video about engineered hardwood floors be refinished, because you had a couple of companies come in and tell you they had to demo and take it out and sell you a new floor.
We were to spend thousands of dollars and have it replaced.
Oh my God.
And now it's refinished and it's beautiful.
Because you said earlier you wish everybody knew that they don't have to have them replaced.
Yes, it's like nail polish. You can peel it off. Fresh coat.
And then, but we got one more coat to put on this thing, and it looks
amazing.
I don't even want to touch it.
The waves are gone.
Yeah,
the orange is gone.
The hand distressing is gone.
Yep.
All of it's a new house.
Is
there anything we could have did different to make it better?
No, absolutely nothing. You showed up right at 7, worked the entire day.
I appreciate it, and man, we just appreciate you. Thank you, Miss Colette.
Thank you.